So as you can see, the stairs on this hiking trail keep on going. Alright, here we go. I am hiking up these stairs. There's a lot of them. Let's see. So you can see, you can't even see the beginning now where we were at, because we're hiking up a really long trail right now. Getting my workout in for today. And these are rock steps. So I'm hiking up these stairs. There's a lot of them. So I'm going to record here. Let me point with my finger. Way down here, there's a whole bunch of stairs. And these are some stone ones. We're going up. And I have a ways to go. So I'm going to keep going and see what else I can show once I'm at the top. And so now, I was standing like right there when I recorded before, and now went up all these, and there's more. So here I go, more steps. This is quite the hike. It's a big workout. It's worth it though. It makes you feel good at the end of the day. I'm feeling it really in my thighs. So it's kind of hard to tell, but I was under this branch that goes this way just a little bit ago, and it curves. The steps curve all the way up to here. So we just came off of this trail. Hold on. We came from this trail up here, and here's what used to be the trail with these rocks, but it is not so great. So there's kind of a new trail here. The park is one of the oldest parks in Iowa, for the state parks anyhow, and so some of the trails need some work, but so you got to watch your step when you're hiking these trails. But it's pretty awesome because we're getting nearing the end of this trail, and we've done over 3.5 miles. You can't even tell it, like body wise, it just doesn't feel like you have. But to me anyhow, but maybe that means I'm getting in better shape. But if you hike on trails, you gotta always watch your step.